All right, you can see over here we've got some examples of the Cisco switch security configuration. Now these can set the maximum number of secure MAC addresses for the port. Again, the default is 1. You can set the violation mode and the action to be taken when a security violation is detected. You can configure the secure MAC address aging time on the port. The aging time range is 1 to 1,440 minutes. The default is 0. And configure the secure MAC address aging type on the port, and the default is absolute, respectively. Now, there are many other features available for Cisco and other vendors. Please use them. You're going to want to use them. You can also use IP ARP inspection to detect ARP attacks and then stop them. It's really effective.
Yes, essential as well. Always use a secure authentication and mutual authentication. IPsec offers encapsulation mode or authentication header AH. SMB, as example, can be signed. Email protocols also have secure protocols that can be used. The list goes to almost all protocols. Awareness is essential here. You can't really be proactive without the employees being aware of the security risks and what to do in case something suspicious happens. VoIP systems usually implemented unencrypted or are usually implemented. Let's redo that. It should be VoIP systems are usually implemented, right?
Yes.
It sounds like we're just speaking bad English.
That is correct.
Okay,
Yeah, it does need a verb.
Okay. VoIP systems usually are implemented unencrypted. Well, again, there is a secure protocols that can be used to avoid this kind of issue.